Hello everyone, my name is Kiran Kumar Chaudhary and I am welcoming you at Ministry of Python. So today is Solve Saturday, a problem set video. In this video, we are going to discuss some problem sets. So let's get started with our first problem. Our first problem is type following statement in Python interpreter to see what they do. I'm going to open Python interpreter in terminal by typing Python. My Python interpreter is opened now, and then I'm going to type value 20. It's going to give me 20. Now I'm going to assign variable x to value 20. It's going to give me 20. Now I'm going to add 1 in variable x. Let's see what it is going to give me. It's going to give me 21 back. So this is how statement behaves in Python interpreter. So this is all about our first problem. Let's see what is our next problem. Write a Python program that uses input function to prompt a user for their name. So now I'm going to create a file called as input.py and open that file and ask user to enter name and print like this, hello. So what I do in this program, I'm going to ask user to enter your name and store the input in name variable, and then I'm going to print the statement. So I'm going to run this Python file in terminal by python.input.py. It's showing me error because I do mistake like this because I'm forgot to separate string and variable. So it's completed. Now I'm going to run this file again and it's asking me enter your name. I'm going to enter my name and it's print hello Kiran Kumar. So this is all about problem set 2. Let's see what is our problem set 3. So we have to design a BMI index calculator. So we know that BMI formula is this. So now I'm going to create a BMI file in which I'm going to write a Python program to calculate BMI of our body. So let's see how to create BMI Python program. I'm going to create a Python file called as bmi.py and open that file. It's open. Now I'm going to ask user for their height enter your height in meter, and then I'm going to ask user for their weight enter your in kilogram, and then I'm going to calculate BMI as per our formula weight divided by height square. I'm going to type height into height is similar as height square, and then I'm going to print your BMI is this. So what we have to do, this height variable takes input from the user as string. So now I'm going to convert string into float by float function, and weight also takes decimal value. Now let me do this so you can just okay. So this is how we design a BMI program. Let's see it's work or not. So now I'm going to run this Python BMI file. It's asking me about my height. My height is 182 meter. No, not 182 meter actually. And weight is 65 maybe. My BMI is no, this is not my BMI actually. My height is going to be 321 4 meter, round about 4 meter, and my weight is going to be 70. Yeah, so this is actually good BMI. So this is how BMI calculator works, or we have to design BMI.